Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to factory reset an Xbox Series S or an Xbox Series X. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing you need to do is of course have your Xbox turned on. I'm going to be starting from my dashboard right here. We're going to be clicking Y or search on your controller and we're going to be searching for settings. Once your settings option opens up, we're going to be coming up here and we're going to be selecting it. And now we'll be inside our Xbox settings. Once your settings opens up, we're going to be coming to the tab on the left. We're going to be scrolling down to the third option, which is system. And here we will see all of the different system information settings for our Xbox. We're going to be selecting the first option here called console info. And here we will get some more information about our Xbox, including the name, the reset console option, and the allow optional data collection. What we're going to be looking for in today's video is of course the reset console option. If we select this, we will then get three options: reset and remove everything, reset and keep my games and apps, or cancel. For today's video, it's up to you how you want to do it. I'm actually going to be resetting and removing everything. However, if you'd like to reset everything but keep all your games and apps installed, this can help save a lot of download and a lot of time later. This can be a good option for you. However, for today's video, I'm just going to be clicking reset and remove everything. I'm going to be selecting this, and then your Xbox is going to start to reset. Now from this point, your Xbox may go into a black screen, and you're just going to have to be a little bit patient here while your Xbox starts to reset. Now, depending on how much data, how many games, how many accounts you have on your console, this can take a little bit of time, so you may just have to be a little bit patient here. After a couple of minutes, you will then get this preparing console pop-up, and then your screen will go black again, and then the preparing console pop-up will show back up, and then you will start to get this percentage slider, which again can take a couple of minutes to go over. From this point, you will then have the option to configure your Xbox with the Xbox app. If you'd like to install this, you can get it directly from the Play Store or directly from the App Store, or you can simply turn back on your controller. In my case, I didn't have to resync it. The controller worked by default. Just simply turn it back on. You can simply just click the skip button or the start button on your Xbox controller, and just like that, you're now going to be setting up your Xbox from scratch. You can now select the language and go through the entire setup process as if it's a brand new Xbox. Anyway guys, it's as easy as that to factory reset your Xbox Series S or your Xbox Series X. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.